Hi students, today we will learn how to solve system of equations using Cramer's rule. Students, this is an important part of algebra. Now let us learn how to solve a system of equations of two variables. Students, let the equation be a1x plus b1y equal to c1, it is 1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve for x and y. So we can write a1x plus b1y minus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y minus c2 equal to 0. So using cross multiplication method, we can write x by y by 1 by minus b1 c2 minus of minus c1 b2 minus c1 a2 minus a1 c2 and 1 by a1 b2 minus b1 a2. This implies that x by c1 b2 minus c2 b1 equal to y by a1 c2 minus c1 a2 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus b1 a2. Therefore x equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1 by a1 b2 minus b1 a2. This can be written as c1 c2 b1 b2. You know, this algebraic expression can be expressed as the determinant c1 c2 b1 b2, that is c1 b2 minus b1 c2, and the determinant we can write a1 a2 b1 b2. Similarly, we can write y equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 by, this can be termed as del, by del equal to a1 a2 c1 c2 by del. Students, here we can consider equal to del 1 and this determinant equal to del 2. So we get, using Cramer's rule, the value of x equal to del 1 by del and y equal to del 2 by del, where del 1 equal to the determinant c1 c2 b1 b2 and del 2 is the determinant a1 a2 c1 c2. Students, using Cramer's rule, solve the system of equations 3x plus 5y equal to 8 and 5x minus 3y equal to 2. Students, here del equal to 3 5 minus 3 equal to minus 9 minus 25 equal to minus 34 not equal to 0. So using Cramer's rule, we can get x equal to del 1 by del, that is the determinant 8, 2, 5 minus 3 by minus 34 equal to minus 24 minus 10 by minus 34 equal to minus 34 by minus 34 equal to 1. Similarly, y equal to del 2 by del, that is 3, 5, 8, 2 by minus 34. What is the value of del? That is minus 34 equal to 6 minus 40 by minus 34 equal to minus 34 by minus 34 equal to 1. Therefore we get x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Students, let us solve a system of equations in 3 variables. Let the equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Now let us solve the system of equations using Cramer's rule. Let del equal to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. Now let del 1 equal to d1, d2, d3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. We are replacing a1, a2, a3 by d1, d2, d3. Similarly, equal to a1, a2, a3, d1, d2, d3, c1, c2, c3. Here replacing b1, b2, b3 by d1, d2, d3, and let del 3 equal to a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, d1, d2, d3. Students, here also we are replacing c1, c2, c3 by d1, d2, d3 respectively. Students, therefore using Cramer's rule, we can write x equal to del 1 by del, y equal to del 2 by del, and z equal to del 3 by del, provided del not equal to 0. Students, this is the basic rule of how to solve the system of equations using Cramer's rule. Students, let us solve the system of equations using Cramer's rule. That is, the equation is x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6, 2x plus 4y plus z equal to 7, 3x plus 2y plus 9z equal to 14. Here we can write del equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 9 equals to 1 into 36, minus 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 2 into 1 into 3, that is 3, minus 18, plus 3 into 4, minus 12. This equals to 34. 2 into minus 15, minus 30. Here minus 8 into 3, minus 24, that is minus 20. Now let us find del 1, that is replacing the first column by the numbers 6, 7, 14. So it is 6, 7, 14, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 9. So we can write 6 into 36 minus 2 plus 2 into 14 minus 63 plus 3 into 14 minus 56. This equals to, that is 204 minus 224 equal to minus 20. Similarly, del 2 equal to 1, 2, 3. Now we are replacing column 2 by the number 6, 7, 14. 6, 7, 14, 3, 1, 9 equals to 1 into 63 minus 14 plus 6 into 3 minus 18 plus 3 into 28 minus 21 equal to 70 minus 90 equal to minus 20. Students, let us find del 3. We are replacing the third column by the number 6, 7, 14. So it is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6, 7, 14. This equals to 1 into 4 into 14, that is 56, minus 2 into 7, 14, plus 2 into 7 into 3, 21, minus 28, plus 6 into 4, minus 12, that is 42, minus 62 equal to minus 20. Students, here we find del 1, del 2 and del 3. Therefore, x equal to del 1 by del equal to minus 20 by minus 20 equal to 1. Y equal to del 2 by del. What is the value of del 2? That is minus 20 by minus 20 equal to 1. Z equal to del 3 by del, that is minus 20 by minus 20 equal to 1. Therefore we get x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. Students, let us solve the problem using Cramer's rule. Here the system of equations are 2x minus y equal to 3, 3y minus 2z equal to 5, 2z minus x equal to minus 4. Here del equal to 2 minus 1, 0. Here 0, 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 2. So we can write 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 0, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is 2 plus 0 equal to 12 minus 2 equal to 10, that is not equal to 0. Now del 1 equal to, we are simply replacing 2 0 minus 1 by 3 5 minus 4, so we can write 3 5 minus 4 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 2, so it can be written as 3 into 6 minus 0 minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 4, that is 8, minus 5 into 2 10 plus 0, that is 18 plus 2, that is 20. Now del 2 equal to, we are simply replacing the second column by 3 5 4, that is 2 0 minus 1 3 5 minus 4 0 2 minus 2 2, this equals to 2 into 10 minus 8 plus 3 into 2 minus 0 plus 0 equal to 4 plus 6 equal to 10, and del 3 equal to 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 3 0 3 5 minus 4. Here replacing the third column by 3 5 minus 4, so we can write 2 into minus 12 minus 1 into minus 5 3 into 3 minus 24 plus 5 plus 9, that is minus 10. Therefore x equal to del 1 by del, that is 20 by 10 equal to 2, y equal to del 2 by del, that is 10 by 10 equal to 1, and z equal to del 3 by del minus 10 by 10 equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 1, z equal to minus 1. Students, Cramer's rule is very important in higher algebra, so I advise you to follow the video from beginning to end to learn the rule properly. Thank you for watching my video.